Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this pumpkin pie slice. I'm going to go in first with the color terracotta, and I'm going to paint the pumpkin pie part. And this is the perfect color for this. To me, it's just a perfect shade for pumpkin pie. And this will be all Dixie Belle chalk paint colors, which you can purchase on our website, along with this cutout and the brushes I use. I'm going to go in with color putty for my pie crust. And then I'm going to go in with the color cotton for my whipped cream at the top. Now I'm just going to let all of that dry completely, and then I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outline all of my edges. And next I'm going to go in and highlight everything. So I'm going to use the color Cotton to highlight my pumpkin pie slice. And then I'm going to use the color Savannah Mist to highlight my whipped cream at the top. And then I'm going to go back in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker to write some lettering on my pumpkin pie slice. And you can write whatever you wanted to on this. And if you're not comfortable with the lettering, you can go in and use some vinyl, and that works perfectly. But if you want to try your hand at lettering, this Sharpie brush stroke marker definitely helps. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.